What's happening, dogs? Mr. Allen here. We're about to evaluate some dope trig functions using our unit circle. Now, personally, I like to memorize the first quadrant of my unit circle, and then I use what I know about whether these trig functions are positive versus negative in particular quadrants to finish up evaluating. Here's how it works. So for cosine of pi over 4, that's in my first quadrant. This one's going to be very straightforward. It is my 45-degree reference here in pink. My cosine is my x-coordinate. This is just going to be root 2 over 2. First quadrant, super easy. There we go. Next one, I've got sine of 5 pi over 6. My pi over 6 reference is this first one right here. And my sine is my y-coordinate. So it's going to be 1/2. But is it positive or is it negative? Well, 5 pi over 6 is in my second quadrant. Sine is positive in my second quadrant, so it's positive 1/2. That's it. That's dope for that one. All right, next one, tangent. Tangent's always a little crazy. All right, this is 4 pi over 3, which is my third reference right here in orange. All right, so first off, let's just go ahead and evaluate this one. Then we'll decide if it's positive or negative. So tangent is y divided by x, meaning we would have root 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, or we could say multiplied by 2 over 1. So here I'm going to get my 2's to cancel, and I'm left with the square root of 3. Now, is it positive or is it negative? Well, 4 pi over 3 is in my third quadrant, which is right down here, and it says that tangent is positive in that quadrant. Boom, diggity. Both my sine and my cosine are negative in that quadrant, and since it's sine over cosine, y over x, negative over negative, it becomes positive in that third quadrant. That's it for this one. We got our 3 different answers, evaluating using the unit circle's first quadrant and what we know about them being positive or negative. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, man. I love getting tricky with it, dogs. I love getting tricky with it, and I hope you guys do too.